What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back. Thank you for tuning in my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and today I will be showing you how I got this purple Bling Freestyle press-on nail set. So what I did do off camera is I'm going to be using these clear nails, and I got these nails from Amazon. And these are the full cover nails that I'm using today. And what I did do off camera is I did paint three of the nails, half of the nails a nude pink at the top, because I'm going to be creating a French on those nails. And on the other nail that I'm doing right now, I'm going to be taking my Beetles gel polish, and it's a purple like gel polish. It's like a glittery gel polish. I'm going to be using that from the Beetles line, and I'm going to be just painting that nail that glitter color. So for this pointer finger, I'm going to be using this Beetles gel polish once more. This is a kind of like a soft lavender purple from the Beetles collection as well, and I'm going to be covering that whole nail with this purple shade. So my inspiration for this set, I just wanted to be just a blinged out set, and I don't know, this color, I was looking at this color and I was really drawn to it, so that's why I decided to create a set with this color. So here we are. I did want to do a nice blinged out set, so I was just trying to create something I haven't seen before, and I'm going to be showing you guys my process here. So after I did finish that nail that I was the one that I was painting the whole nail the purple color, I did put that in my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And now for this nail, I'm going to be taking my liner brush, and this liner brush is from Amazon. It came in a pack of 7, I believe, and I'm going to be taking that fine tip brush, and I'm going to be using that to create my French tip. So this is that same purple shade from the Beetles collection. So after I draw my line, my French line with that liner brush, then I'm going to just be filling it in the remainder with that purple shade as well. So I did put that nail that I finished into the UV lamp for 60 seconds. With this gel polish, this Beetles, they recommend 60 seconds, so I always put them in 60 seconds after I do any type of line work or nail art on the nail. I would just pop it into my UV lamp. So for this one, I didn't want to do a French nail because I feel like I do too much French maybe. I just wanted this one to be a little bit different, so I kind of created like a swirl. It looks like a S shape line going across this nail, and I did have that pink nude at the top of that nail. And after I created that line with my liner brush, then I'm just going to be filling in the remainder of the nail with that purple shade at the bottom of this nail. Again, I was freestyling with this set, so I did not know how I was going to do each nail going into me creating this set, but I was just, as I go along, I would just think of, oh, what can I do different for each nail? I try not to make my sets too uniform, because I feel like it's kind of boring, unless you know if that's what you're into. But I just wanted to try to create something different. So after I finished that nail, again, I did put that nail in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. The nail that I just created before this one, the one that kind of had like an S shape going across the nail, and I painted the lower half purple. 60 seconds. So now with this nail, I did want to do a blooming nail. So this is the Mia Secret, blooming gel, and I'm going to be painting that bottom half of that French tip that I created, and I'm just painting that whole nail with that clear blooming gel. And then I'm going to be using my white Beetles gel polish to create my blooming nail. So I am going to be using a liner brush, and this is the smallest liner brush that they have in the pack. Again, I got this pack from Amazon, and I believe it was a pack of 7. If anybody wants any details for the liner brushes, where I got it from and how much it costs, just leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get to you that information that you need as far as where I got these different products from. So with the blooming gel, you have to move fast, because as you can see, it does spread fast. So that's why I was trying to move really, really fast, so it doesn't spread too wide and too fast before I get to put my design all over the nail before I insert it into that UV lamp. So move really, really fast when it comes to that blooming gel. I put that nail into the UV lamp for 60 seconds, that blooming gel nail. So now with this nail, I did want to create a French tip, but I wanted to do it a little bit different. So I thought that I'd just add some glitter onto this nail. This is like a reflective purple glitter that I'm using, and I'm just using a scoop that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to be using that scoop to just to pour the glitter all over that nail. And after this, I'm going to be putting that into my lamp for 60 seconds as well. Make sure you tap off the excess glitter off of that nail. So now for this nail, I wanted to do a marble nail. So this is the one that I have painted the whole nail purple. So now I'm going to be just adding dots of the different shades of purple. So I did add the purple, I did add the white. I am going to be going in also with this dark purple from Beetles. It's also, all of these polishes that I'm using are gel polishes, and these are from Beetles gel polish. So I add those different shades, and I did go in with a little kind of like a pink bubblegum shade as well, so just to give it a little bit more color than it just be purple and white. So that's why I just added that little splash of pink. And I'm going to be using a dotting tool to mix and swirl those colors together. I'm not trying to make one color, I'm just trying to swirl it together to give it that effect of a marble nail. So that is what I'm doing and creating on this nail here. After I did this, I did put this nail into the UV lamp for 60 seconds, and this is the nail that I had painted with the Beetles gel polish, that purple glitter. So for this nail, I wanted it to be a lot different. I'm just getting into learning how to do the 3D flowers, so I wanted to create that on this nail, and I thought it would look good because that glitter, that purple glitter background with white flowers, because the colors that I'm using is purple and white for this set. So I thought that would be really pretty, so that's why I decided to go ahead and add some 3D flowers to this nail set. So I am going to be using the Mia Secret monomer, and I'm going to be using the Mia Secret acrylic powder, and this is in the color white. And I'm using this acrylic brush, this nail art brush, and that is what I'm going to be using to add the balls of white acrylic. I lay the acrylic down onto the nail, and then after I lay the acrylic down to the nail, maybe 2 to 3 beads, then I go back and I take that silicone brush that you've seen in the video, and I'm using the pointy silicone brush to flatten out that bead to make it look like a flower petal. And I did add these circle rhinestones around. I added 3 on the nail before I started to put my petals around. So as you can see, these are rhinestones here that I had put down, and now I'm just adding my petals. And it's just basically just adding dots of acrylic powder, and then you're going to be flattening it out. What I use to flatten my acrylic powder out is these silicone brushes that I got from Amazon, and I think this came in a pack of 5. This different type of silicone brush. I use in this brush because I feel like it makes it easier for me to create those petals on the nails. Basically, some people just use the same brush that they use to apply those acrylic balls, and they use that same brush to just flatten it out. You can easily do that too, but I just wanted to use the brushes. Like, honestly, I just wanted to see how it will work with me using those brushes to flatten out the petals. So that's why I just gave those a try to see how well they work with the petals. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, so you can know every time that I upload a new video coming with some new some new nail art, or maybe it might be makeup, or maybe a hair video. I haven't did a hair or makeup video in a couple of videos, so I think I'm just going to switch back over a little bit and do a little hair, do a little makeup, and then come back to the nails, because I don't want to bore you guys just doing one single thing on my channel, because I have a passion for 3 things, which is hair, makeup, and nails. So yeah. So now we're going back to this nail that I created, kind of like that S shape, instead of doing the regular French tip shape, which is that U shape. And I'm going to be taking these rhinestones, and this is a variety pack of rhinestone that I got from Amazon as well. I got the AB color, and it's just reflective of different colors basically. But the main color of these rhinestones is like a gold and silver. It reminds me of gold and silver. But also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this set of nails, these press-on nails that I've created here today in this video. Let me know what you guys think of the color. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I do have another nail video that I have made, and I just have to finish editing. I'm not sure if I'm going to put that one out first, or if I'm going to switch it up and put another video out, not having to do with nails, but maybe a hair or makeup video, and then go back to posting a nail video instead of just doing nail back to back. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos as well. Don't forget to go and check out my other videos that I have posted on my page. Like, comment, and subscribe. As I always say, it's free, so just look out for your girl and some videos that I have coming soon, and leave some comments on my other videos too. Let me know what you guys think. I'm just trying to be more consistent with me posting and just getting these videos out as I make them. And that's a little bad habit that I had last year. I would sit on the videos and then just sit there all day just trying to edit a whole bunch of videos, and that took too long. So I'm trying to, as soon as I finish these videos and recording them, I'm trying to just go ahead and edit and just push these videos out, so I don't have to worry about going back to them. But yeah, so I decided on this blooming gel nail, I wanted to add a little bling to it, so that's what I am doing. I did add bling to this nail as well. Let me know what you guys think of this set of nails. And for that glitter nail, I did go back ahead and add glitter to that nail. And add rhinestone to that nail as well, because I felt like it looked kind of plain, even though it looked really good with the glitter. I just wanted to add some rhinestones to it, just to give it a little bit more of a pop, and make it stand out a little bit more. I really enjoyed creating this set. Let me know what you guys think. And I need your guys' feedback on my videos. I am using the KDS glue as well to add the glue to the nails, so I can put my rhinestones on the nail. The KDS glue that I'm using, I did get it from Amazon, and this is the same nail glue that I would use to do a full set. It's a really good glue. So this is the finished product of my nails. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Check out some of my other videos that I have posted already. Connect with me on my other social media platforms. I hope to see you guys tuning into my other videos. Bye.